And I speak a little bit louder. Okay. I'm trying for my best. Or yeah，你帮我把我的那个拿个雷蛇过来。雷蛇的耳机 headset. Okay. I'm going to change my microphone to the Razer headset, so it's better for the microphone's quality. Right. Okay. Hold on. Hello. Hi. Is it better for the microphone? Okay. Hi, Joe. Yeah, I see a lot of students who just joined our group last week. Okay, so it's important for us. Okay, baby. Ray, you are naughty. Okay, let's chat. Let's talk about the gold first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Last week. Okay, raise your hand. How many of you have short gold last Friday, which we mentioned the 4-hour structure, which is long term. The gold have a structure here. Can you see that? We have multiple tops, you know, neckline here. All right, it's here. Okay, it has been supporting the gold from 2017 December 29th. Okay, almost beginning of this year. Yeah, all the way supported until May the 15th. It breaks down. Okay, and in last Friday, due to the North Korea and Trump actually sent a Twitter and said he's going to cancel the meeting with the President Kim in the North Korea, and which caused a lot of buyers of the gold in case people are are anti-risk. Okay, they want to hedge, or they want to when the market is risk off. Okay, so a lot of people goes in and buy the gold. However, it actually touched the very nice structure, which is 1307, which I mentioned in our group, that if gold cannot break through 1307, we are still bearish. Okay. So how many of you have short gold from here and earn money? Okay, Webs did. How about the others? Because I'm sure that you can see my updates here. When I update my gold, the long-term shorting target, which is here, I publish this structure, which is here. You can see that. Yeah. And I say gold just pull back as what Euro did, right? So let's check what has Euro did. Has Euro done for the past few weeks? Okay. Because here is something that we can play with, the correlation part. What is correlation? Correlation means something that will happen in a similar behavior, and they are moving in similar directions. Okay, so this is Euro. Okay, this is Euro. The Euro break long-term neckline as well. After that, there's a pullback, and Euro until today, Euro all the way goes down for 500 pips. Okay, so this is what Euro did. How about gold? Let's check. Okay, how about gold? So we can add a symbol to gold. Okay, and we just check. We check the similarity. Okay, this is important because we can learn the markets by learn his similar products. Okay, because euro was almost 56% of the dollar index. Okay, so guys, you can see, you can compare. The upside is euro, the downside is gold. Are both having a strong neckline, strong support. All right. Okay, can you see that? How many of you can see that? No problem. You don't trade gold. Okay, you show euro and GBP. Okay, good. Right. Okay, let's just check the logic between this trade. Hey, okay, we can see that the euro was supported well from 1.22 level. Okay, 6 months sideways. Almost every time it hits in this zone has supporting the price. The gold is 1310 to 1304. Okay, this is how the structure, and the gold breaks the neckline in this day, but the euro breaks here in this day, and then the euro drops 500 pips, and then now the gold is just coming to the structure. So guys, can I say that is there a possibility that the gold will continue to move down, just like the euro did? You can check the euro has already goes into the previous low. You see here, this is the previous low. Okay, so the gold goes to the previous low in this area, which is like here. Can we do this prediction? Yeah, yeah, you can say that it's not wrong quickly, but it's the euro actually reflects better in the dollar index strength. Okay, because when dollar goes up, the euro surely goes down. Okay, so when dollar goes up, the gold is base currency is dollar, so the gold also goes down. So from this point to this point, they move the same way. You see here, from here to here, they move the same. Okay, but the difference is the euro breaks the neckline and goes down to another 500 pips. However, the gold just breaks the neckline, not yet coming down. Okay, but it's pulling back. Okay, so with this comparison, can we say that is there potential the potential of the gold goes down is quite high, instead of going still shorting euro at this stage when you are shorting in a very, very low place or cheap price? Isn't it that we can short gold is a good idea? Which one do you prefer? Okay, say for example, we want to long the dollar. We can either by choosing selling gold or selling euro. So in this chart, can you tell me that which products you are more likely to sell with? You want to sell gold at at the neckline place, or you want to sell the euro at the bottom price? Give me the answer. Okay, good. Sell gold. Okay, good. Right. So this is the simple product selection or market selection. Okay, we have understand that the euro and the gold a lot of time they move in both in a similar direction due to the correlation with dollar index. However, we do find a good opportunity of selling gold instead of selling euro. Okay, so let's talk about the gold. Okay, let's get back to gold. So gold after pulling back to 1307, and let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay, guys, do you see some interesting price action here? What is this price action? If you notice that from my course or you notice from other place, what is this candlestick patterns? What do we call them? Yes, bearish engulfing, right? So what we can do is when bearish engulfing occurs, we can start to sell the pullback, okay? Where will it pull back to? Yes, pull back to the engulfing area, which is structure. You see that? Because before that, it was supporting the gold from 1304, okay? Support, 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 and close below and pull back. So can we short gold from 1304 after that? Do you agree? Is it good opportunity that we can at least we can catch this down for to 1296? This is what I have been telling you guys many times, right? This is truly a very nice structure broken out. Okay, and in 1 hour chart, there's one more confirmation of this. Okay, you can see that what is this bar here? After this engulfing bar, what does the gold perform? Can we see our inside bar breakdown? Let's check. This is a mother bar, right? This is inside bar, the first inside bar, the second inside bar, the fourth or the right the fourth inside bar, and the fourth inside bar was broken down or up, guys. It's actually very sideways ranging in the last Friday's New York lunchtime, right? Sideways for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, but after it is finally breaks down. So can we enter short at here? Can we catch this inside bar breakdown before it actually drops dramatically? Right? Good. So when you see the price breaks down 1303.46, you can short here, and your stop loss should be above the pin of the inside bar, the 1, 2, 3, the third inside bar. Okay, and then we capture a lot of revenue. All right, and right now the gold is kind of pulling back. Okay, it's kind of goes to the 1296 area and comes kind of pulling back. All right, so let's check for 4-hour chart. We do have a supporting structure at 1296 here. So it's quite common for the gold to have a rally after the touch of this 1296 level. So do you think the gold will come back again? Is it possible? Is it possible for the gold to retest the breaking structure? Yes. Okay. So let's check where is the structure. Look left. Okay. I have taught you guys how to locate structure. How to locate structure. Looking left, right? Looking left. Okay. So guys, let's look left. Did you see our structure broken down happen here? Did you see this? Can we say this is a one top, the second top? Although the second top is a little bit higher, but it actually failed to break 1307, and after engulfing an inside bar breakdown, followed by another big red candle, small bullish candle, and then another strong move away. Okay, so this structure is confirmed broken, right? Can we say that? Yes. So what happened if the gold pulls back to here? Can we do a short? Can we do a short? Yes. We want to follow the trend. This is how we follow the trend. We don't follow the trend by chasing the price when the trend just formed. We follow the trend by taking the correction wave's ending point, which is here. When the price pulls back to this area, and we have to take a short to enjoy the second wave. That's our plan. That is our plan. Okay. Another way we can determine where is a good selling point is we can use the 618 level from 1307.65 to 1295.38, almost $12 distance. Okay, so guys, where is the 618? Where is the 618? Is it here? 1302.96? Yeah. Okay, so can we enter the gold short when price goes back to 1301.52 or 1302.96? Can we do a range? Can we do a range setting? We can have one order here, one order here, or one order somewhere inside. Nikki said, yeah, where is the stop loss? Good. Please check what does the 2618 trade tells you. What's our strategy? We want to trade the 618 pull back and sell and our stop loss should be above the previous high. Am I right? Because as long as the gold cannot make a higher high, we can say that due to the quickly downfall, the gold has already broken some important structure and neckline. Okay, it has broken some neckline and it's coming down fast, pulling back. So if there's pullback, as long as the pullback won't become strong enough to break the previous high, we are fine to sell because we knew that it's going to form a lower high or higher low, guys. What potential it is? We are trading a potential lower high or we are trading potential higher low. Can you tell me? Lower high, right? Yes. So what happened after lower high? What happened after lower high? What kind of trend will start? We have high, we have lower high. All right. We have initial high here. Okay. We already have a lower low, correct? This is initial low. This is lower low. And we are going to have a potential lower high from the 618 level and also the structure looking left, the neckline here. So if we are successful, we are going to take a short at this structure and shorting a potential lower high, and the bearish trend will start and it may just give us another lower low. Am I right? Yes. So is this a good plan? Because what is the trend before that? Can we see a strong downfall here? Can we see a strong downfall from here? The overall trend since April, okay, since gold April completed this pullback and start to making lower lows, you can see that the gold is always bearish because it keep making lower lows and lower highs, right? So what can we do is when price get back to 1302.97 or 1301.52, it doesn't matter, it's just only maybe $2 difference. You can create two orders, okay? Each one maybe 0.2 lots or 0.3 lots if you want. Okay, just calculating your risk because the overall risk will be about $5, which is 50 pips. If you trade only 0.4 lots, you're going to risk only $200. Making sense? Am I right to say that, yeah, we catch this short, we want to enjoy the downfall for this trend. We also want to enjoy the downfall for a bigger trend. That's true. All right, good. Can we do same with silver? Yeah, almost, because of gold and silver actually they move in a similar direction. So let's go back to silver. Okay, silver actually you can see it actually drops more than gold did. In daily chart, silver is kind of a range session. Okay, it's ranging every time here. A lot of a ranging session. Okay, right? So the silver, well, I won't say silver is okay. It's good to short because I want to short at a 618. I don't want to short at a very low place. Okay. So what happened to gold after it broke 1300? What will happen to gold if gold confirm that it's breaking the neckline here? Can we say that it's possible for the gold to continue to move down, to test 1282, to test even 1264. Yeah, because bearish trend will remain until the price goes down to a very, very low location, such as here. Right? Right. So are we clear of the gold's direction for this week? Because I want everybody to take note that as long as the gold cannot break 1307, and as long as the gold cannot make any higher high, okay, we want to take a short when the price have a pullback. Hey, nice. Okay, so just watch carefully when the gold pulls back to here, 1301 or 0.76 or 1302 for a potential sell. Are we good? Yeah, there's inside bar in 4 hour chart as well. We can see here. It works quite nice because it's inside bar breaks down and instantly it gives you about $3 win. Okay, after that, it having a pink bar, bearish, but the price is still below 1301. So I want to take a short when the price pull back to here. Okay, let's talk about oil. We have a splendid oil short in here. Guys, do you still remember? The time that I publish in TradingView, I say there's a ABCD pattern completed at 72. I say there's a 4 hour, we have a bearish engulfing, which is here. We have an inside bar breakdown in a 1 hour chart, which is here. So guys, trust me, by learning well of the inside bar and engulfing candle and pink bar and ABCD pattern, then you are surely 100% you can actually catch the great move of oil in last week. How many of you guys trade the oil? Tell me. Raise your hands. It's good to share that. Wow, so good. Waipo, I won't talk about long-term target for gold and oil. I will only talk about long-term target for the dollar index. So, we just compare. When the dollar stop increasing, the gold may have a support, the oil may have support, right? Okay. If you missed the oil entry, I can only say that is to a little bit pity because you just missed the 600 pips move. Okay, 600 pips move doesn't happen a lot in this market in 1 week. Okay, that needs a lot of strength. Okay, a lot of money needs to be vesper. Okay, so guys, can we say that this is a inside bar? Sorry, that is the next one. Is this inside bar? The next one here. Mother bar, inside bar. Can we take a shot here? Yeah, why not? We take a shot here and we almost catch everything. We cashed until 67. Do we have a stop loss? Yes, we do. We have a stop loss above previous high. Will I be you worried about it? What if the price? Okay, what if the price didn't pull back after the inside bar breakdown? No, we are not surprised because we know that for inside bar, normally there are two opportunities. The first one is you trade the inside bar breakout. The second one is you trade the pullback here. And then we have another inside bar here, guys. This is the second time that I mentioned. Inside bar breaks down, inside bar, and moves down. Wow, this is really, really free money. You get it? Okay. So tell me, do you really want to master the inside bar? Is it powerful? Yeah, you can check the comments here. Yeah, there's people saying that What did they say? I can't remember. There are some people saying that you are amazing, that you makes trading look so easy, right? Yeah. Okay. This guy, I love you. I think he really make money. I think so. Right. And tell me, do you want to buy the oil right now? Is there any reason for us to buy the oil? Oh, good, bullish. Stock market do have insider bar. Yeah. No, we don't have a reason to pick a bottom. Is it bottom? No, I don't think so, but it did have some structure. But I will see the structure will only, support the price for a little bit because the main trend is remain bearish. Okay, ultimately, the dollar, the daily chart shows that the oil is may going to all the way to test about 64 or 61, 62. So with this in the chart, we can say that we just need to hold our positions, reduce some profit, and hold the rest. And we know that after we take in some partial profit, it's easy for us to hold the rest. Do you agree? But right now, you don't chase for the price. You don't trade the sell at this 66.56, this low range. Okay, if you want to sell it again, better wait for the pullback. 200 EMA. I don't know. I don't use 200 EMA. I may use the 889 EMA. And today it actually almost touched the 89 EMA. Iraq, 后妈帮我倒杯水。Okay, so that's why I don't want you guys to sell here because it may have some support, it has some supporting structure, but we also don't want to buy. Okay, we want to see what will the price do. If the price consolidates here, guys, well, most likely the after strong downfall, the price may have some consolidation here. Okay, so we have to watch whether it is a trend reversal or whether it is a trend continuation. So how we determine it is a trend reversal or trend continuation, guys? How we determine whether later stage it will go up or go down? Do we need to guess? Do we need to guess whether the oil is going down or going up after consolidation? Because we know that every time when the fast breaks comes, the price needs some rest, the price needs some consolidation, needs some sideways or channel. Okay, it's actually, yes, Sheldon Graham says very good, makes a good point. Okay, we have to wait for the pull, break structure, wait for the breakout, retest, and see whether it can goes up, or we wait for the breakdown, retest, okay, and continuation. Okay, so here we can almost foresee that the price may have some, annoying or some silent mode. Okay, the price needs some rest, take some rest. Okay, and after several candlesticks, we can see that whether it's going up, reversal, make the price goes up again or goes down again. But it doesn't matter. Whenever the plan A or plan B happens, we always have a good time to take up structure breakout and pullback trade. Are we clear? Are we clear? Great. Okay, so no buy here, no sell here. Just wait for the price to take a sideways and determine whether it's going to up or going down. Great. Okay, let's talk about the euro dollar. Wow, euro is a fantastic move. All right, We short euro from 1.24 to 1.2140, something like this. Breaks neckline, pull back, and take a short. You see, it continues to goes down to 1.16. Okay, we have captured almost 500 pips. Okay, and right now the euro is really kind of looking to some support here. There's some support here. There is. Okay, we have to respect this structure, and there is also a potential bat pattern. Okay, also completed, but I have mentioned a lot of times, do we want to take a buy here when the price has no signal of, stop moving down, with no double bottom, with no breaking trend line, and with the X point not so low, X point some middle, okay, it's in the middle of the trend. Do you want to buy this bad pattern straight away? No. Okay, we have to, because this is a daily chart. Okay, daily chart. Okay, we have to go to a 1 hour chart. Okay, we have to wait for double bottom to occur. Okay, to check the price cannot go through this lower low, cannot make any lower low anymore, and it goes up, and we trade a 2618 trade, and it goes up. This is the only way that we can buy the euro. But there, until today, I can only see that the euro has been, in this kind of downtrend channel. All right, you can also see this is a kind of wedge. Right? Look, okay, listen carefully. Sometimes, or more, a lot of times, when the euro is like in this kind of wedge, it normally implies that a potential bounce is likely to happen. Okay, and we don't trade the breakout of this wedge. We only trade the 618 pullback after this wedge breakout. All right, so you have to measure if the euro really bounce from here. You have to measure the 618 level and to buy. Okay, so just remember, are you familiar with this wedge pattern? By the way, I have published in TradingView a lot of times, a lot of good trade we capture from this pattern. Okay, a descending wedge break up and pull back to 618, and we want to take a buy. That's the only patterns we want to take a buy of a euro. Otherwise, I will keep my short from the 1.2130 level, and I can take some profit, but I don't want to buy. Okay, great. So euro, okay, it looks like still lower low, right? Still lower low, but I won't take a short up for this structure breakout. I won't take a short when the price pull back to here, because I know that before the price really break through 1.1560, it will become a sideways market unless the price can move very fast, break 1.1556. Show me, okay, show me you break all the supporting structure and pull back, and then we take a short. Right? Are we clear? Okay, great. So euro are kind of no more trade in this week because it really didn't give me a buy or sell either way. So I would like to just hold my short. I don't want to take some new position at this stage until it actually finally break 1.1550 to confirm the downtrend. This is our view for euro. Okay, same here for sterling. Okay, sterling is very bearish after 1.443, this pink bar plus engulfing and this structure breakout and retest. Okay, it actually in line with our prediction or our trade plan with this weekly engulfing candle, and I say the first target is 1.3432, the second target will be 1.2849. You can say that the first target just hit. Are you still in this trade? Do you still have the sterling sell from 1.42 or 1.40 or 1.39? If you do have, congratulations, you just win 600 pips. Okay, so just I think this week we are quite uh, kind of in a observing mode, because we don't have many trading signals in here. The price already making a fitting into this structure here. This check, see there's a pin bar here, 1.3220. This is a pin bar, and telling there's some buying force here. Okay, it did, right? But we are not sure that the price will stop making lower low here. Okay, but the price is really hitting to the supporting zone. So what shall we do? Do we still want to sell into the supporting zone, or we want to just watch it first and take some profit, because you have already earned almost 700 pips? Why not take some profit and let the rest go? Is this our strategy? We already take some partial profit and let the rest become a risk-free trade. Yeah. Okay, good. All right, go to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks like there's kind of a diamond, or this is a triangle maybe. We can see that it's here. Some kind of triangle. Okay, there's no direction making yet. Okay, no direction making yet, but we have to wait for the break up or break down. All right. But as long as the Aussie remains below 0.7634, are we bearish or are we bullish, guys? Are we bullish or are we bearish if the Aussie maintain below 0.7664? We are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. Yeah. So the only thing that I want to trade the Aussie is I want to wait for the price to come back to 0.7640 and to take a strong if I'm interested. Okay. Vipo asked me about Sterling Canada, right? Okay. Sterling Canada have some support here. Okay. But there's no pattern. There's no pattern. The price do have some engulfing candle followed by another, a small candle, and now it's going up. So this shows that which currency is going to become weak, Sterling or Canada. If Sterling Canada is going up, what can it tell you? Which currency is in the weaker side? Canada, yes. Let's check dollars Canada. You can see here, the dollar Canada just breaks up, right? And hit 1.30. Okay, so guys, just remember this, okay? When you see a daily chart, you see, actually we are quite prepared that since the dollar CAD completes this harmonic pattern here, not yet so completed, but this kind of is still in a harmonic process. Can we say there's another possibility that we can draw this bearish bad pattern here? Is it possible? Is it possible that the dollar CAD may go up, all the way to 1.36? Yeah. So dollar Canada will still goes up, right? Although the sterling may sideways, or sterling may also go down, but I think Canada will become weaker. So I will say that for GBP CAD, I may want to buy. All right, I will agree with a buy here, because this is also a wedge, breaks up. Okay, but the price may not go strong so fast because this is a cross currency. Okay. Ray said you bought from 1.2991. We start 1.31. Is that okay? Where's your stop loss? Bought from 1.2990. Oh my God! Are you buying a breakout? Why you buy at so high? Why don't you buy at here? Why don't you buy from, say, from this structure supporting, or why don't you buy from this kind of structure pullback? Why buy high? Can't you see my screen? No, you can. You definitely can see my screen because I'm sharing my screen. Any people else can see my screen? Black box. Yeah, because I'm looking in the chatting window. Yes, that is the chatting window. After I minimize it, you won't see it. As long as you are chatting with me, you cannot see. Yeah, the black box is the chatting window that I'm typing with you now. I'm checking all the messages. All right, you can take a breakout here and the stop loss. I think if you are buying high, buying a breakout, your stop loss should be at 1.2958 and below. Okay, this is your stop. And the target 1.3058. This is the first target because we can see there's a neckline here. There's a neckline here. It may ultimately goes to 1.36 or 34 or 34.50. Yeah, I think still can buy, no problem. Okay, you can hold your long because it's doing well. It's making higher high. Okay, let's finish our talk by checking the Aussie yen. Okay, some people ask Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen is kind of a currency that I'm only want to sell. Remember, guys, Aussie yen, I only want to sell. Why? Give me a reason why I'm bearish in Aussie yen. Can you see that? The big reason. The Aussie yen has just making a neckline break down and pulling back. And more importantly, it has broken the correction channel here. And before that, it is a bearish move. Okay, so a high chance the Aussie is continue going down to test maybe 70 or 80 level or at least 77 level. This pin bar here, it may test and it may form this bad pattern here. Okay, it may form this bad pattern. So since it has broken the neckline retest, cannot break up above 55, it's okay to sell. Understand? Understand? Aussie yen, sell high. As long as the neckline is rejecting the price, you will have another, downfall. Okay, Swiss yen, nice for, yes, you are right. Swiss yen, it pulling back to the 100 and the 112 level. Okay, but then right now for the Swiss yen, it looks like here have some support. 108 have some support, so there's not much room for a sell to take. So try to avoid this pair. Okay, don't trade Swiss yen. No trade Swiss yen. Yes. Okay, for dollar yen, I'm not going to say sell because dollar yen is in a strong move up mode. Okay, because dollar yen is correlated with the US 10-year bonds yield. Okay, and since the Fed is going to hike the rate, the bonds yield is going to up. So when the bond yield going to up, okay, the money will become more attractive when people to buy the US bond rather than the Japanese bond. So people will actually borrow the Japanese bond to invest in the US bond for a carry trade. Okay, although we see a strong move down here, but guys, check the length, check the strength, compare with this uptrend. Do you think this downfall It's like going to reverse the trend, or is just a small correction for this whole upside move? Give me the answer. Dollar Sing, no feedback, just hold your buy. Dollar Sing goes up so well, right? Why are you asking about Dollar Sing? It is a very, very good long-term trade. Okay, let's finish dollar yen first. Okay, so when we in an uptrend move and price coming back, guys, can we see this? There's a lot of structure here. Can you see that? A lot of buy, a lot of support comes from this zone. People, the institutional players are buying from this level. And today it actually gaps up, but this is a daily inside bar breaks up, and now the price just coming back to the closing price of the last week, last Friday. So this is a perfect gap filling trading. You should buy the dollar yen right now and just set your stop loss below this pin, 108.95, maybe just says 108.89, and you're looking for another wave of up, at least to test the previous neckline here, 110.88. Okay, dollar yen may have another up move. All right, do not be scared of this downtrend because it didn't break lower low. It's just a small correction. All right, and when you see a price action, do we see a price action? Yes. Okay, didn't penetrate. Okay, inside bar breakout. Okay, gap up and now fill the gap. Okay, in 4-hour chart, you can see that the price is kind of a sideways here, but can we see? Do you see this bullish pin here? This is bullish pin, right? And this is also an inside bar break up. Okay, inside bar break up. So this is telling you that dollar yen, okay guys, you can even buy the dollar yen right now because it's pulling back to the 618 level. Okay, 109.289 is a strong support for the dollar yen. Okay, you just put your stop loss below the low, okay, and you trade another upside move, right? Explain setting of stop loss and TP for your oil inside bar trading. No, I don't need to explain. No. KC, you are asking me to explain the setting of stop loss and TP for the oil inside bar trading, but it is already in the YouTube tutorial. So anyone else don't know how to trade inside bar? Okay, if you know what is inside bar, you should know that, right? An inside bar strategy is quite simple. Okay, when you see a mother bar and when you see your inside bar, okay, the inside bar has a high or has a low, doesn't matter. Okay, when the price breaks up, okay, say for example in the oil chart, when the price in the third candle, when it break down the low of the previous inside bar, you take a short. You take a short here. Whereas your stop loss, the other side of inside bar, maybe here or maybe at the mother bar, doesn't matter. And then you just measure your risk. This is your risk. Okay, and where's your TP? TP1, 1 to 1, TP2, 1 to 2, TP3, 1 to 3, and after several partial profit taking, you should still have some remaining position. Then just let it go, let it hit as much as you can. So it seems that you didn't actually watch my tutorial. AC is in my YouTube channel. Okay, you just check inside bar tutorial. Okay, all my students, please raise your hand. Please reply me by 6 if you know how to trade inside bar. No, you don't need to wait for close. You just trade the breakout. Simu is an instant trade. When it break out, when you see the price has penetrated the low or penetrated the high, you take the trade. Very simple. I don't want to repeat many more times. That's why I make a tutorial and put in the recording in the YouTube. any people who are asking me this question, it just shows that you don't watch the tutorial. Okay, because this is a very, very mature strategy. It has fixed rules of opening trade and closing trade. Okay, if you don't know what is a setup, you just watch the videos. No, you don't need to watch the Chinese videos. It's in my YouTube channel. I already tell you. You go to my YouTube channel, search for ProJack. Okay, ProJack. This is YouTube channel. Okay, I repeat, YouTube ProJack. Go find inside bar. There's a title. There's one seminar, one webinar that has inside bar tutorial. Just go watch that. Okay, it is very, very clear. Okay? And just now, I just explain one more time. You can trade any time frame. Inside bar appears everywhere in any time frame. Okay, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Okay, 4 hour, doesn't matter. But you have to notice that the lower the time frame you choose, okay, the less it may push the price away. Okay, because your time frame is too small, and that's why it cannot push down the price. Okay, guys, check in the dollar yen 1 hour chart. Can you see an inside bar here? Is this successful? You see here, breaks down. In this candle, you already take the short. Where's your stop? Is here. Okay, where's your risk? Only this. All right, where's your target? 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Bingo! You just earn $1,200 if you choose a risk of $200. Okay, another example. See here. You see inside bar. Inside the bar breaks down, and you take a short. Born. Okay, where's your stop? Here. Risk 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay, this time 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Easy money. Okay. Yes, you do need to look for key level. You do need to check the inside bar that are formed at extremely high place or extremely low place. Okay, or the bearish trend just start and it has inside bar for you to take a trend continuation. Yes, you do need to take this into your mind. Okay, you're right. And guys, okay, just give you another example why I say we can buy dollar yen right now. Yes. Is this an inside bar? Tell me. It's a bullish pin, or inside bar, a break up, right? You should actually already be making money. Okay, when you buy it, just buy it. And where's your stop? Very easy, below the pin. In this case, if you are trading this inside bar, you don't need to put your stop loss all the way to 108.92. Just put here because you are trading the inside bar. You believe that the price cannot push the lower low anymore, and it did actually breaks up. So you should trade this inside bar to enjoy the returns. Okay, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, take some profit and let the rest go. Okay. All right, great. Let's talk for Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves very, it's actually slow move. Okay, choppy, and pushing down. Okay, but it has come back to the neckline here. So if you have some extra money, you can consider to buy a Bitcoin using no leverage. Okay, trust me. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, you are in a buy and investing mode, buy and hold. Okay, you buy from 7,000 and you on hold to at least 10,000. Okay, you want to get this, trade it like a stock. Okay, trade this like a stock. It's a neckline. Okay, you with no leverage, because if you want to use leverage to trade this CFD, trust me, your stop loss, it will be too far or too wide, and the risk will be too high. Okay, although technically speaking, you can hear. I kind of see. Okay, people who can hear my sound, please type 9. 9. Yeah, my voice is clear, right? Great. Okay, so technically it's a good buying place. Okay, but the stop loss is a little bit wider. It's at 60,400 level, still another $800 move. So maybe it will be too risky for you to buy one Bitcoin, maybe half or maybe quarter. Yeah. Okay. And let's check for gold one more time. The gold have an inside bar, breaks down. Okay. It looks like it hit the stop loss, but it actually giving you this chance to making some money, right? But this inside bar is not so powerful because it didn't give the momentum. Okay, why? Because when the price goes into this looking left, there's some structure here. There's some horizontal supporting structure. That's why this inside bar only can push the price until here. So you have to be very, very alert, okay, to set the target. You have to check the potential profit before you're looking left, before you take the trade, okay? And the gold, I want to trade here. I want to trade this pullback neckline and sell, okay? Gold is in a range, okay? 1295 have some minor support, and 1301 have some strong resistance. So price may have some range and ultimately may breaks down or breaks up. But as long as the gold didn't break 1312 in daily chart or in weekly chart, guys, it's kind of for sure the gold is violated, okay? It's violated the structure, okay? Down. Okay, a pullback. Now this week just start, so another wave down is likely to happen. Euro Canada, no, don't trade Euro Canada race. Okay, do not trade cross currency. Cross pair is very, very choppy. It's very, very choppy. You short Euro Canada, okay, is you are hoping that the euro is going down and the dollar Canada is going down as well, but dollar Canada is going up. That's why it's conflicting each other. You are short from, okay, just remember, if you are trading Euro Canada, you are trading Euro USD, okay, and you are trading dollar CAD at same time, okay. You are shorting euro and you are shorting dollar CAD same time, okay. But check the logic. If euro goes down, means dollar is strong. Dollar is strong. Why dollar Canada will go down? Dollar Canada will go up. Okay, so you are canceling each other. That's why it makes euro Canada. You see, it didn't move at all. It's sideways markets, right? So yeah, try not to trade cross pair. No, don't. If you want to take long, okay, goes to the left. In my course, I have already told you, you have to watch the big chart first, okay? Do you think 1.51 is a reasonable price for you to take long? Or you rather to want to wait for the price to touch the structure here, or even here, right? There are more attractive levels for you to place your alarm, but definitely not be here. Definitely not be when the price is still downtrending. Okay. All right. In 4-hour chart, you can see it looks up at, you know. Okay. Of course, if you want to take this 2618 trade, I will approve. Okay. If you buy from 1.5086, setting your stop loss below 1.50. Okay, and aiming for pull back to here or even here, it's okay. It's okay. All right. I will agree in 4-hour chart, there might be a potential rally. You're right. Okay. But you have to understand where is your stop. Okay. In this case, if you want to buy from the 618 level, that's okay. Is in line with our course. Okay. Stop below the low. All right. First target here, second target 1.272 extension, maybe somewhere here, and that's all. You finish. Don't hold for a longer time. Okay, you have to reduce your position, and think this time. If Euro CAD is going up, either Euro dollar will go up or dollar CAD will go up. So I can tell you that this rally is not due to Euro, but due to dollar CAD. You trade dollar CAD long at the same time. And I remember just now you tell me you have a long trade from 1.2991, right? You just bought dollar CAD from this time, is it? Are you right? Am I right? You have a dollar CAD long and you trade Euro CAD long same time. I can say that you are doubling your position, because you are either both trade will going to be right, you make double money, or you both trade will go to wrong, you lose double. You are increasing your loss size eventually because they move in the same direction. All right. So if you already have a dollar CAD position, you don't need to trade Euro CAD. You just trade Euro dollar. That's enough. Cool? Right? Good. Hi, Anup. Okay, hello. India index, Nifty 50. All right, let's check. I don't really, take a look of indices for Indian stocks. Okay, but purely from technical, it has a very, very strong bullish wave thanks to 16. Okay, it's all the way going up, but you can say that a big four appears here and the price pulls back, and it actually have a nice strong pin bar here. Okay, so this is telling me that either you need to check whether this uptrend momentum will break the pin tail or not. If it cannot break the pin, okay, be careful. It may become a retest and goes down again. All right, but if the price can break 10,800, it may form this butterfly pattern. All right, but fundamentally, I won't actually suggest a good buy, a good investment at this high place. It's just like the S&P and NASDAQ. All right, the price is too high. It's too expensive to buy. Right, but you don't want to short indices when there's nothing unhealthy in your country. Okay, because indices is this like currencies. Okay, indices will move as long as all the stock company are making profits. Okay, all the company are generating returns and have good financial reports. Okay, and people will just believe that I want to buy in the whole, and because this company is making money, right? Things and so on. So indices is best to be used to get together with your stocks, real stocks position. Okay, indices futures are a financial instrument for you to hedge your stock position. Okay, it's never to be used as to trade CFD. Okay, so yeah, just don't buy or don't sell the indices if it is not in a very, very great position, either too low for you to buy or too high for you to sell. How about the Nikkei? It's same. Nikkei, same with S&P, all right? But I will say that the Nikkei failed to stand above 23,000. It makes me that I want to only sell Nikkei from here. Listen carefully. I want to only sell Nikkei from here. Okay? It has already breaking the uptrend channel, a pullback against. Probably maybe the Nikkei when it comes back to this zone, I want to sell high. Okay, I want to sell from this area. this already makes me think that the Nikkei 225 is almost, you know, end of the story, end of the bullish move. Okay, too many people are chasing the price here. It will goes down. Is there a Libra in the hourly? Which Ethereum? Okay, Ethereum. Let's go to it. It's Ethereum will be same as BTC. Okay, Ethereum is okay to buy. Yeah, this is neckline here. This is neckline here, right? And it's also 618 level. So it's okay when you want to buy the ETH and hold for a longer time. All right, but just remember, don't use leverage. All right, don't use leverage. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones are 2618 or Libra. Okay, Dow Jones. Today the U.S. market didn't open, right? So Dow Jones is in a slight kind of a sideways market. The market kind of you know, is consolidation here. It may have another uptrend. It may have another move to push the price to a daily in 618 level here. Okay, so the good price for you to watch would be 2533.4. Okay, check this level. When it touch this and it cannot break through, you can take a sell from here. That's my view, right? Great. So for all the students, okay, just remember you have to digest all the videos first and start to draw the structure. Okay, just remember one word. Okay, how to draw a structure, guys. Let me just give you a guideline. Okay, structure is to be drawn when the structure can support a lot of candles and try to contain all the wicks and the closing price at the same time. Okay, try to let your structure to support all the candles. Okay, for resistance structure, try to, you know, use to get some place that it can reject a lot of moves here. For example, here. Okay, you have to use the wicks and use the bodies. Okay, try to make it at least 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Okay, at least 3 touch to confirm that, okay, I do see a lot of selling force here. All right, and pay attention to the structure that previously are working as support. Okay, previously are working as a resistance. For example, here, can you see that? Can you see that? This 24665 previously, are they working as a resistance, guys? Yes, right? And breakout, and you know, and then it breaks down again and become resistance. You can see here. So when you see a breakdown, okay, you can tell that, okay, I want to trade the structure breakout and the pullback, and it will become a resistance. So the best selling point comes. All right, this is some guideline for the structure drawing. Okay, it has to be working good support or good resistance previously, and the price when breakout, it can stand above it for at least maybe some 3 or 5 candles at least, stand above. Okay, when it breaks down, it will actually become resistance. All right, so that's why we call structure is the most horizontal flipping level. Okay, right. No, I don't recommend to trade an index like Dow Jones and DAX, and unless you are very familiar with stocks markets, Leo. Okay, if you are a stocks trader, you have to trade Dow Jones and DAX because you have your stock positions. For example, you buy like IBM or Goldman Sachs or Apple, right? You have these physical stocks in your hands, and you are worrying about the value. Okay, you are worrying about why if there's any possibility for Dow Jones to crash, right? You have to short in the future, and you have to then you don't need to worry about your positions. Okay, so indices is an instrument to hedge risk. Okay, it's not meant for you to trade purely naked in indices while you don't have any stocks. Okay, if you are doing that, make sure you are very familiar with the stocks markets. You go to check all the major companies website or news. You know what, when the Apple is going to release their financial reports. You know which kind of industry is going to be healthy. The like for example, when the dollar increase, right, the banking industry will benefit, right? Something like that. You have to understand the stocks market if you want to trade indices, right? Otherwise, if you want to trade indices, you can just trade dollar yen, okay? Because dollar yen moves very similar with the stocks market, okay? Yeah, you have some alternative instruments for you to trade if you want to take some advantage of the indices fall or indices up, okay? Generally speaking, when the S&P goes up, dollar yen goes up. S&P goes down, dollar yen goes down. Right? They are moving in the same correlation. Right? Okay, good. So today is May 28th. Only 3 days counting down from my promotion ends. All right. So send me an email. All right. Send me the email. Send me your email to sunrisejack@hotmail.com. All right, our promotion price for 2K of my Pro Trader course will end in this month. Okay, so if you go to harmonishasia.com, you check my Pro Trader course. All right, I will do this very professionally to teach you how to build your own system, okay? How to build your 6 critical skills, okay? Day 1 and day 2. It is all in the video training format, but I will provide the consultation and the mentorship after you take my course, okay? So check the market, find the trading plan, share in the group, okay? Receive my mentorship, check with me if you are not yet mature to carry out your own trading plan. Okay, then after finalize your trading plan, just trade your plan and make either good profits or small loss. Okay, so this course will be increased the price from 2K to 3K. Okay, it has already been almost 2 years. All right, no more promotional price. However, before June 1st, if you send me the email, okay, you can still reserve for the promotional price. All right, reserve for promotion. All right, send me an email. I have received tons of emails to reserve the course at the promotional price. Guys, you are traders, right? You should know, are we going to buy high or buy low, right? Since it's still relevantly, cheap, okay, make your decision to invest your brain, okay, to become professional trader first. All right, thank you, Joe. God bless you too. Okay, thanks, Royce. Okay, for new students, I'm really a big welcome on board. I'm really excited to help you to build your own system. Okay, I will be surrounding by you and in the group, and while we are looking at the major markets, and please make every trading plan as a education example, okay, for you to to review, to learn, and to get to understand more about the logic of the trading plan. Okay, can you also share some insights on any screener? Okay, screener. I will suggest you can use FinVis. Okay, FinVis I think will be good to screen. Okay, FinVis. Okay, and also TradingView has this kind of a screen function. Okay, but I don't trade stocks a lot. All right, and I'm not a fundamental stocks believer. Because I only trade the stock, I only trade the company that I know, such as Apple, such as IBM, right? I'm always going to use the technical ways or use my ways to find the best entry levels. All right, great. No. You don't need to use screener for Forex for setups. You don't need, because Forex, there's not, there will be not be like 1,000 pairs for you to choose, right? It's always this watch list, okay? WTI, the oil, the Kiwi, Euro, dollar CAD, Swiss, oil, sterling, gold, dollar yen, Aussie, SPX, okay? This, the symbol, okay, is enough for you to trade. Okay, you just pick up, for example, our gold trade, right? If you short from 1342, you just made a lot of money. You don't need to you don't need to screen it. It's just there every time, every day. You should watch it. All right, breakdown, inside bar breakdown. Okay, you just take a short and enjoy the returns. You don't need to set a screener. All right, great. All right, guys, thanks, and let's end of this tutorial, this webinar. All right. Now I'm not the king of future, but I will be the education king to teach you guys how to trade professionally. Okay, I will be your friend to give you this insight of how to trade professionally, because that's my dream. Okay, I want to help other people. Okay, you don't need to be my students. You can just come to watch my webinar every week. All right, you don't need to, really to sign up the course before you really make your decision. But as long as you receive any message from you that will helps you to become a better trader, a professional trader, a profitable trader, I will be happy. Okay, just remember those basic setup structures, okay, inside bars, right? For those harmonic patterns, for those Fibonacci levels, for those multiple time frame analysis, right? Okay, that will be for my students who want to take trading as a serious business, who want to move in a more advanced levels, okay, to make livings from trading, to enhance their lives through trading. All right. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, and goodbye. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, as student can advise 3 forex instruments to track to start: euro, sterling, dollar yen, gold. All right, it's just those major pairs. Okay, euro, sterling, dollar yen, gold, Aussie. Okay, this 5 will be enough for you. Okay, bye, everyone. Okay, see you next time.